Let me, okay. So learning task 3, solve for the variable of the following quadratic equations. Okay, let us discuss first what is quadratic. Okay, when we say quadratic equations, okay, when we say quadratic, the power is 2 or the exponent is 2. Okay, just like x squared or y squared, c squared. Again, when we say quadratic, the power is 2 or the exponent is 2. Okay? So, if you can see, all the equations has a power of 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So, that's why we call it quadratic. And when we say equations, okay, it means equal. As you can see, in the given equations, there are equal sign, okay? They are not greater than or less than or not equal to. It is from the word equal, okay? So that is the meaning of quadratic equations, okay? So let us solve now the variable for the following quadratic equations. Okay, so letter A, it is said here, by extracting square roots. Meaning, wala nang square. Or wala na siyang square and we will use square roots. The symbol of square root is like this. Okay? Can you hear me well, Jaira?
Opo.
Okay. So let us start with number 1. I have here a solving paper. I will copy x squared equals 169. Okay, for number 1, okay, x squared is equals to 169. Okay, we will use daw square root symbol. Ito yung square root symbol. So, we will now square both sides. So, gawin mo lang ng ganito ang dalawa. Okay? Square root of x squared is equals to square root of 169. Pag ginamitan mo siya ng square root, mawawala na ang 2 at saka ang symbol. Okay? So, magiging x na lang yung natira. Kasi kinancel mo na yung 2 at saka yung square root. Actually, pag square root kasi, meron dyang 2 na number. Pero invisible siya. Meaning, pag ganito lang, automatic na yung number dito sa itaas is 2. Kaya nagiging canceled na ang 2 at saka ito. Kasi 2 siya, tsaka 2, nawawala na yung exponent na 2 at saka yung square root. Okay? So, x na lang ang natitira. Again, pag walang number sa square root, that means 2. Sometimes, meron ding ganito, cube root. Okay. So, pag x cube siya, tsaka cube root, mawawala na to. Ang natitira is x na lang. Okay? Okay, let's go back to x becomes, ano ang square root ng 169? Meaning, what is the factor inside the square root that are the same factor? Factors ng 169, meaning, dalawang number na the same, pag i-multiply mo, magiging 169. Okay? Maybe that is 13. 13 times 13 is equals 169. Therefore, that is 13 times 30. The bigger point meaning times yan. Okay, Jaira? Okay. So, since common sila, meaning the same yung number, gawin mo na lang siyang isang number, 13. And then, wala na ang square root. Kasi dalawa siyang number na 13 at saka yung square root merong 2 dito. So, gawin mo na lang isa, then i-cancel mo na ang square root. So, the answer for number 1 is x is equal to 13. And pag nag-square root ka, ng number, meron siyang value na positive and negative. Therefore, your x here is positive and negative 13. Okay? Sa lahat ng square root, pag nag-square root ka, mayroong dalawang symbol or sign that is positive and negative. Nakuha mo? Question. Meron kang question? Wala? Okay. So, let's proceed to number 2. Okay. 9b squared is equals 25. Okay. But number 2, 9b squares equals to 25. Okay. I want you to look at the coefficient of b squared. Ano ang coefficient? Meaning, when we say coefficient, the number beside the letter. Okay? So, ano ang coefficient ng 9b squared? Hello? Okay. Ano yung coefficient ng 9b squared? When we say coefficient, the number beside b squared. Yung katabi, number ng katabi ng letter B. Number 9. 9, okay? So, i-divide mo siya ng 9. Pag nag-divide ka ng 9 dito, mag-divide ka din ng 9 sa right side, okay? Since we know 9 divided by 9 is 1, okay? So, makakancel na siya or ma-cross out na, magiging 1. So, yung natira is b squared, okay? And then, you copy 25 over 9. Then, let us apply the square root, just like what we did kanina. You squared both sides, ang dalawa. So, mag-cancel na ang 2, tsaka yung square root na symbol. So, natira na lang si B. Okay. Ano ang square root ng 25? Are you allowed? Tsaka yung square root natira si B. So, ang square root ng 25 at tsaka 9 is ganito siya. Square root of 25 tsaka 9. 25. So, when we say square root ng 25 tsaka 9, again, the same number na mamomultiply mo na makukuha mo ng 25. Okay? So, you can multiply 5 times 5, right? You will get 25. And for 9, the same number na ma-multiply mo, tsaka makakakuha ka ng 9. So, that is 3 times 3, right? So, 5 times 5 is 25. Then, 3 times 3 times siya, not point. 3 times 3 is 9. So, gawin mo na lang isang number because they are common. Gawin mong 5 at saka gawin mo yung sa ibaba na 3 na lang. Tsaka mawawala na si square root. Bakit siya mawawala? Kasi yung number inside the square root are the same. So the answer here is positive and negative. Again, why is it positive and negative? Because you use square roots. Okay? So, the answer for number 2 is positive and negative 5/3. Okay. Pagkatapos ng klase natin, I will send this solution in your in the Facebook chat, in our Facebook chat, okay? So we are done with 1 and 2. Let's proceed to number 3. That is parentheses 3y minus 1 square equals 0. Okay. Here, number 3, parentheses 3y minus 1 square equals 0. Let me check. Okay, correct. Now, para mawala yung square dito, is square root mo both sides. I will make this clear as 0. So, nag-square ka dito, square root, mag-square root ka din sa right side. Okay? So, mag-cancel na yung 2 at saka yung square root symbol. So, natira na lang si 3y minus 1. And we know that the square root of 0 is positive and negative 0. Or it is okay not to write 0. Or positive and negative. Because 0 kasi siya. Now, in order to get the value of y, first, you will transpose, okay, the negative 1 from the left side to the right side. And if you will transpose or transfer it from negative 1, it will become positive. Okay? Ma-change na yung sign pag i-transfer mo sa ibang side. So, natira na lang si 3y equals magiging positive 1. Bakit natin i-transfer? Kasi wala siyang y dito. Yung term niya, walang common term. So, i-transfer natin si 1 kasi wala siyang y. So, para makuha yung y na lang matira, i-divide mo ng 3, yung katabi ng y. So, divide 3, tsaka i-divide mo din dito ng 3. Kung ano yung dinivide mo sa left side, ganun din sa right side. Okay? So, their denominators now are 3. And then 3 divide 3 is equals 1. So, you cross out na lang yung 3 and 3. Natira si y. And 1/3. Copy ang 1/3. So, the answer for number 3 is y equals 1/3. Okay? Positive 1/3. Nagets ba? Jai? Walang tanong? Nakuha?
Ano po yun? Di na po lalagyan ng positive, negative po.
Hindi na siya malalagyan ng positive at negative. Lagyan lang ng positive at negative kung constant yung number. Kasi dito wala siyang positive and negative kasi polynomial siya. Ay, binomial. Okay? So, positive 1/3 lang. Wala na siyang positive, negative. Mag-positive and negative ka lang pag constant. Constant yung mga numbers like this. Constant. Okay? Next, number 4. X minus 2, parentheses, x minus 2 square equals 16. Okay. Parentheses, x minus 2 square equals 16. Okay. Para mawala si square, anong gagawin? Is square root both sides. Square root, tsaka square root din si 16. I will make this clear. Okay. Square root dito, tsaka dito din. So, cancel na yung 2. Cancel na din ang square root na symbol. So, natira si x minus 2. Okay. This is constant, so you will use positive, negative. And ang square root ng 16, factors ng 16 na the same number is 4 times 4. Okay, the same number, 4 times 4 is equal 60. So, gawin mo na lang isang number 4, tsaka wala na si square. Okay? So, since ang negative 2 is walang x, i-transpose natin sa right side. Okay? So, negative 2 transpose sa right side, magiging positive 2. From negative to positive. So, this becomes x na lang natira, positive and negative 4 plus 2. Okay. May dalawang value si x dito. Kasi positive and negative. Then, may plus 2 pa siya. So, x, let us say x sub 1, meaning yung value ng x, gagamitin muna natin yung positive 4. Unahin natin si positive 4. So, positive 4 plus 2 is positive 6. Tapos na sa isang x, meron ding isang value si x. X sub 2. Tapos ka na sa positive, and then you proceed to negative. Negative 4 plus 2, what is the answer? Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 4 plus 2.
Negative 6.
Negative 2. Okay. Bakit siya negative 2? Kasi look at their sign. Ito si negative, positive. Hindi magkapareho ang sign. So, you will use minus or isubtract mo si 4 tsaka 2. Okay? Pag hindi magkapareho ng sign, isubtract mo lang yung dalawang numbers. So, 4 minus 2 is 2. Then, i-follow mo yung sign na pinakamalaking number. Since 4 yung malaki, i-follow mo si negative. Okay? Pag dalawa naman, negative 4 minus 2, pareho sila ng sign, i-add mo sila. So, do not mind the negative sign, add mo muna siya. 4 plus 2, 6. And then, i-copy mo lang yung negative kasi the same yung sign. Okay? Nakuha? Okay. So, the answer here is negative 2 and 6. So, x sub 1 equals 6 or x sub 2 equals negative 2.